If you're looking for a spacious, move-in ready house that creatively combines modern updates with old-time charm and is conveniently located close to the city, then you need to check out my newest listing. This is Jordan Jones with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty, and welcome to 7409 Park Avenue in Swissvale. Let's check it out. Thank you everyone for touring this beautiful property with me today. If you have any questions or want to set up a private tour, you can reach me at my information below.